Hello everyone, I'm Yongshen. We do blinds and one of the items that we carry is bamboo blinds. And in this video today, we're going to show you why bamboo blinds takes such a long time to make. Okay, so as you can see, these are materials from China. These are raw bamboo from China. Okay, so this is what you will see. Right now, all this bunch of bamboo chicks that you are looking at right now, all these are to be discarded. Now, let me show you why. So these are bad condition, you see? Not all of them can be used. So this process that we are doing right now is to trim off all the unevenness of the material, and every single one of them needs to go through this step. Okay, so this is how the bamboo blinds are being weaved. Take note, this is every single one of the steps that needs to be done. Right, this is the process, and it's pretty laborious, as you can see. It's just something that you cannot really enjoy from the screen is the smell over here. The chemical smell, it's a little bit overwhelming. As you can see, the process of doing out the bamboo blind is not really easy. From the selection of the material to the weaving of the material, which you can see just now, okay? And then after that, we will need to paint it, or if not, we will need to do some lacquering, which involves this process over here right now. Right, so all this process is very time consuming, and you know what, after this is still not yet done, right? We still need to put in some pulleys for you to pull up and down, and then after that, if let's say you need to have any backing at the blind, when I say backing, I meant like this over here. If you need to have backing over here, right, it will take some time again, and that is why there is this lengthy process. As you know, that this industry itself is a very traditional industry, and most of the youngsters nowadays do not want to do something like this, right? And so I'm going to invite the owner in, right? His name is Simon, Mr. Simon, right? Mr. Simon, 来，一起进来。
这个珠帘是一个很传统的，全部都是手工的，一只一只编的。然后就是说，因为是手工嘛，在新加坡，就是希望新加坡可以多多支持新加坡的产品，手工产品。要不然早晚慢慢会淘汰。对，因为这种东西又耐又漂亮。
Yes, so as you can see, right? 这个东西呢是没有那么容易做的，所以我们真的还是想要就是给people behind the scenes， 就是幕后的人给他们一些 credits, right? Okay, so everyone, I hope you have enjoyed the tour behind the scene, right? And yes, we wish you good luck, good health, and hope to bring you to the next behind the scenes video next time. Alright, take care, bye bye.